Hello children, welcome to IIMS India's online classes. Today, from mathematics subject, lines and angles topic we are going to discuss. So yesterday up to example 5 we have learned children. So let's start from example 6. If angle A equals to 36 degrees, 27 minutes, 46 seconds and angle B equals to 28 degrees, 43 minutes, 39 seconds, find angle A plus angle B. So they have given the measurement of angle A and measurement of angle B. We have to find their sum. So here angle A plus angle B. Angle A value we have to write, angle B value we have to write. So while adding, we have to add degree with degree, minutes with minutes, seconds with seconds. So 36 plus 28, 64 degrees, 27, 43, 27 minutes, 43 minutes, 70 degrees, 46 seconds, 39 seconds, equal to 85 seconds. So like this we have got. So but we are having 64 degrees here, 70 minutes, 85 seconds. But we know that 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. So this 85 minutes can be written as 60 minutes plus, 85 seconds can be written as 60 seconds plus 25 seconds, or 1 minute plus 25 seconds. So from this 85 seconds, 1 minute will go front and will be added to 70 minutes, and here 25 seconds will remain. So this 85 will become 25 seconds and 1 will be added to this 70 and it will become 71 minutes. Okay, that is one change. That one change we have to do. After that, 71 minutes. We know that 60 minutes equal to 1 degree. 60 minutes equal to 1 degree. So we have 71 minutes here, which can be written as 60 minutes plus 11 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 degree plus 11 minutes. So this 71 minutes, we are writing it as 11 minutes. So 1 minute will be, 1 degree will be remaining. That will be added to the front degree. 64 degree plus 1, 65 degree. So like this, we can write it as 65 degree, 11 minutes, 25 seconds. So because when we are having more than 1 minute, more than 1 second, so that value to be added to the previous value. That value to be added to the previous value. Okay, children? So next. So find the complement of each of the following angles. First one, 58 degrees, 16 degrees, 2 by 3 of a right angle, 46 degrees, 30 minutes. So we have to find complement. So how to find complement of 58 degrees? 90 degrees minus 58 degrees. How much, children? 32 degrees. Second one, 90 degrees minus 16 degrees. How much? 74 degrees. Third one, 90 degrees minus 2 by 3 of, they have told right angle. 2 by 3 of right angle. 2 by 3 of 90. 3 into 30, 90. 30 into 2, 60. So 90 minus 60 equal to 30. So last one, 90 degrees minus 46 degrees minus 30 seconds. But 90 degrees, how to write 90 degrees? Because we can write 90 degrees as 89 degrees plus 1 degree. 89 degree plus 1 degree can be written as 60 minutes. 1 degree can be written as 60 minutes. So 90 degrees is written as 89 degrees 60 minutes minus 46 degrees 30 minutes. From degrees, degree to be removed. 89 minus 46, 43. 60 minus 30, 30. 43 degrees 30 minutes. So like that, for finding complement, we have to remove the given value from 90 degrees. From 90 degrees, so we will get the answers. Next one, example 8. Find the measure of an angle which is complement of itself. Which is complement of itself. Let the measure of the angle which is complement of itself be x degrees. So measure of its complement also x degrees, because the angle and complement both are same, like that they are telling. So angle is x degrees, its complement also x degrees. So next, sum of the measures of angle and its complement is always 90 degrees. So x degrees plus x degrees equal to 90 degrees. 2x degrees equal to 90 degrees. X degrees 90 by 2, which is equal to 45 degrees. Next one. So example 9. So find the measure of an angle which forms a pair of supplementary angles with itself. So when two angles called as supplementary, when that sum is equal to x 180 degrees. When that sum is equal to 180 degrees. Here, measure of angle which forms pair of supplementary angles with itself, means if one angle is x, other angle also x, so that x plus x equal to 180. So 2x equal to 180. So x equal to 90. X equal to 90. Next one, example 10. Example 10. An angle is equal to 5 times its complement. Determine its measure. Angle is equal to 5 times its complement. So let the measure of angle be x degrees. So then its complement will be 90 minus x. If the angle is x, then its complement is 90 minus x. It is given that angle equals to 5 times its complement. So angle x equal to 5 times its complement is 90 minus x. So x equal to 5 into 90, 450. 5 into x, 5x. 5x will come this side. 5x plus x, 6x equal to 450. X equal to 450 by 6, which is equal to 75. So the angle is 75. The angle is 75. Next one, example 11. So an angle is equal to 1/3 of its supplement. Find its measure. So angle is equal to 1/3 of its supplement. Let the angle be x, then its supplement be 180 minus x. According to data, angle equals to 1/3 of its supplement. Angle x equal to 1/3 supplement 180 minus x. This 3 will go this side. 3 into x, 3x equal to 180 minus x. X will come this side. 3x plus x, 4x equal to 180. X equal to 180 by 4, which is equal to 45 degrees. Which is equal to 45 degrees. Next one, example 12. So two supplementary angles are in the ratio 2:3. Find the angles. So they have given that angles are supplementary. So that sum is equal to 180 degrees. And the ratio is 2:3. Means one angle, we can assume it as 2x. Another angle, 3x. Their sum, 2x plus 3x equal to 180 degrees. 5x equal to 180 degrees. X equal to 180 by 5, which is equal to 36 degrees. So then what are the angles? One is 2x, another one is 2x. 2x equal to 2 into 36, 72. 3x equal to 3 into 36, 108. Next children. So, write the complement of following angles. Write the complement of following angles. 30 degrees, 20 minutes. 30 degrees, 20 minutes. Complement of 30 degrees, 20 minutes. Complement means 90 minus given angle. 90 minus 30 degrees plus 20 minutes. So this 90 degrees can be written as 89 degrees plus 60 minutes. One minute, children. So 90 degrees. So 1 minute, children. Instead of this step, children, this step directly we can write. This 90 degrees can be written as 89 degrees plus 60 minutes minus, here we have 30 degrees plus 20 minutes. So from degrees, if you minus 89 degrees minus 30 degrees minus, plus 60 minutes minus 20 minutes. 60 minutes minus 20 minutes. From degrees we can minus, from minutes we can minus. 89 minus 30, 59 degrees. 60 minus 20, 40 minutes. So 59 degrees, 40 minutes. This is the complement. Next one. Find the supplement of following angles. Find the supplement of following angles. We have to find supplement. Supplement means 180 minus the given angle. So 180 can be written as 170 plus 1. 179 plus 1 degree. So 179, 180 can be written as 179 degrees plus 1 degree. 179 degrees plus 1 degree. So from 179, let's remove this 134 degree plus from 1 degree, let's remove this 30 minutes 26 seconds, because 180 is 179 plus 1. From 179 we are removing 134. From 1 degree we are removing this part. So 179 134, it's 45 degrees. 1 degree can be written as 60 minutes minus 30 minutes 26 seconds. Again, this 60 minutes can be written as 59 minutes plus 1 minute. This 60 minutes can be written as 59 minutes plus 1 minute plus 1 minute. So from 59 we can remove 30 minutes plus from 1 minute we can remove 26 seconds. 26 seconds. So again 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 45 degrees. 59 minutes minus 39 minutes. 29 minutes. 60 minutes minus 26. 60 seconds minus 26 seconds. 34 seconds. So after combining 45 degrees, 29 minutes, 34 seconds. Or children, directly you can take children. So they have given 134 degrees, 30 minutes, 26 seconds, and they have given 180 degree there. So 180 degree, what you can do? What you can do? 179 degree plus 59 minutes plus 60 seconds. Like this we can write. Like this you can write. So 180 degree, you can write it as 179 degree plus 1 degree actually. 1 degree again 59 degree minutes, 60 seconds. It can be written like that. So from 179, 134. If you remove means 45 degrees. From 59 minutes, 30 minutes. If you remove means 29 minutes. From 60 minutes, if you remove 26, sorry, from 60 seconds, if you remove 26 seconds, it will be 34 seconds. Like that directly also you can do. Next year. So next concept children regarding adjacent angles. Regarding adjacent angles. So two angles are called adjacent angles if they have same vertex. First point, same vertex. Second point, they should have common arm. And third point, non-common arms are on either side of common arm. Means for common arm, that side one, this side one, like that. If these 3 points are satisfied, then the two angles are called adjacent angles. Then the two angles are called adjacent angles. So if you observe this diagram children, here AOC, this is first angle. BOC, this is second angle. We have two angles. AOC one angle, BOC one angle. These two angles. We have to check whether these two angles, they have these 3 properties or not. If they have these 3 properties, they are said to be adjacent angles. So, whether they have common vertex? Yes. Both of them, they are having common end point, common vertex O. So, first point satisfied. Whether they have common arm? In AOC, OC is there. In BOC, OC is there. So, OC is the common arm, common side. Common arm or common side. What about non-common arms? OA is non-common. OB is non-common. How are OA and OB? Here, OC is common. To the upper part of common arm, one non-common arm is there. To the bottom part of common arm, non-common arm is there. So, they are situated either side of common arm. So, 3 points are satisfied. So, these two angles, these 1 and 2 angles, this AOC, BOC angles are said to be adjacent angles. Are said to be adjacent angles. Next one, linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. So, two adjacent angles. Here, linear pair of angles also belong to category of adjacent angles. But they have one more special feature. So, that's why they are called linear pair. So, two adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair of angles if their non-common arms are two opposite rays. Two opposite rays. Two opposite rays. So here in this figure, AOC one angle, BOC other angle. This is first angle, this is second angle. So these two are adjacent angles because they have common vertex O, common arm, OC, OA non-common arm for OC towards this side, OB non-common arm for OC towards this side. So these two angles are adjacent angles. So this non-common arms OA and OB are they are part of a same line. Part of a same line. BOA, but in opposite directions. They are part of a same line. In previous example, here OA and OB, they are not part of same line. They are two different lines. But here, this OA and OB are part of same line, so opposite rays. So they are considered as opposite rays. If the adjacent angles, or if the non-common arms on either side of these adjacent angles are opposite rays, so then these two angles are said to be linear pair, and their sum will be 180 degrees. So, okay, children, we have a concept of adjacent angles and linear pair of angles. So, based on this, we have a theorem, children. Theorem 1. We have theorem 1. So, prove that the sum of all the angles formed on the same side of a line at a given point on the line is 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Sum of all angles formed on the same side of a line. Suppose if a line is there, so this total part will belong to same side of the line, upside of the line. This part will belongs to downside of the line. Means all the angles which are formed on the upper part of the line or downside part of the line, if their sum equal to 180 degrees, that we have to prove. So given that they have given a straight line AOB and rays OC, OD, OE, they are standing on the line. So forming angles AOC, one angle, COD, second angle, DOE, third angle, BOE, fourth angle. So on a straight line, three rays are standing on a straight line, which form four angles. All the four angles on the upper part of the line are same side of the line. So then we have to prove angle AOC, COD, DOE, EOB, their total sum equal to 180 degrees, because all of them are located on the same side of the line. So for this, let's do the proof, children. So here ray OC stand on line AB. So ray OC stand on line AB. So suppose if AB line is there, here O is there. So ray OC standing on the line AB. So AOC plus COB, if these two lines not there, then AOC plus COB will be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, 180 degrees. But what is COB? COB is a combination of COD plus DOE plus EOB. The combination of this 1, 2, 3 is called COB. So in the place of COB, we can keep its components COD, DOE, EOB, because COB is nothing but sum of these three. So sum of 1 plus 3 means sum of all 4 will become 180 degrees. So sum of all the angles formed on the same side of line AB at point O on it is 180 degrees. So this 180 degrees, where it is formed on the same side of the line, it is formed, but at O it is formed. At O, we have a total of 180 degrees. Next children. We have theorem 2 children. Theorem 2. Prove that the sum of all the angles around a point is 360 degrees. Around a point is 360 degrees. Sum of all the angles around a point. Suppose if this is the point, around a point, like this, like this, so many angles we can have. All the angles around a point is equal to 360 degrees. Means one complete angle. One complete angle. That we have to prove. Theorem. This theorem we have to prove. So given point O, we have to assume point O. From point O, we have rays OA, OB, OC, OD, OE, like that. 5 rays are there. We have to prove the sum of AOB, BOC, COD, DOE, EOA, sum of all angles around O equal to 360 degrees. That we have to prove. So, construction. For this we have to make a small construction. So, OA, this is OA, OB, OC, OD, OE. They have given 5 rays, children. So, they have given 5 rays. So, let's construct one ray exactly opposite to OA such that FOA will be on a straight line. So, draw our construction part. Draw ray OF opposite to ray OA. That is our construction. So, okay, next. Here, ray OB. Now we have this A, this one O, this one F, this one F, like this we have. Now, if we take OB ray, only OB ray, this OB ray is standing on this FA line. So then AOB, BOF forms a linear pair because standing on a straight line. So these two adjacent angles will form a linear pair. So these two sum equal to 180 degrees. Y means linear pair. But BOF, but here this BOF equals to BOC plus COF. So BOC plus COF. So the upper part, so 1, 2, 3 is becoming 180 degrees. In the same way, this is a, this is a F, this is a O. Now here, OD ray is standing on FK line. So this part will make a linear pair. FOD equal to AOD. So FOD plus DOA equals to 180 degrees, linear pair. Line angle on a straight line, total angle on a straight line, but downside. So, but this DOA, DOA is a part of DOE plus EOA. So DOE plus EOA equal to 180 degrees. So upper part 3 angles 1, 2, 3, 180 degrees. So downside part 4, 5, 6. That sum also equal to 180 degrees. If we add all, it will be equal to 360 degrees. If we add all, it will be equal to 360 degrees. So, but this is our construction. We can COF, DOF. These two together can be written as DOC. So here this COF, DOF can be written as this single line, single angle, DOC. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So without construction, without F, we have 1, 2. Without F construction, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles around O, whose sum equal to 360 degrees. So sum of all the angles around a point will always be equal to 360 degrees. Okay, children? So remaining concept we will learn in our next video, children. So thank you for watching our video, children. So please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. So visit our website, children, www.aimstoday.in, where you can find online classes, previous online classes, quizzes, live worksheets, activities, English classes, coding classes. Thank you, children. Have a good day.